So, hi, dear Leo. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising singles for the month of June 2026. Keep in mind, this is a general reading. This might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. And for personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. For tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. They are pre-recorded courses. And let's start. I'm going to talk to you in the middle of the reading again. Let's start. Leo. The overall energy for Leo people, or the current energies for Leo people regarding their love and relationship area. Let's see. So I have the King of Cups, the Moon card, and the Knight of Cups. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, Leo, you guys are uh, in this energy of okay, if something secure, safe, stable, compassionate, loving, nurturing kind of energy is going to enter in my space. I am going to allow it to enter in my space. I'm going to allow it to happen with me. So you guys are telling me internally also deep rooted energy is also very stable. And even if you feel like you might or might not win the lottery in your love and relationship area, you guys are feeling ready to open up again, to ready to start or restart again this chapter of your life. You are full of love, full of compassion, you are content with your current situation, and you're ready to have a mature and grounded kind of energy, even if you are not sure whether it's going to work out or not. Even if you have lots of fears, lots of insecurities, lots of things that are not that much resolved, still you guys are in this energy of okay, I am going to keep on healing myself, but I am going to start opening up to new people, new opportunities, and new energies too. I am not going to hold back. So your energies are super open and very, very beautiful, very positive, very content. And you guys are feeling like now you are ready to allow somebody to enter in your space so that you guys can move forward and connect with the right kind of energy, because now until unless you guys are going to open up, even if there's a lot of fear, you guys might miss the chances again and again and again. So your energies are super open, super healed, super pure, beautiful, nurturing, and loving. It's not no hanky panky, no just for fun kind of energy, no just for okay, let's see where it goes kind of energy. You have very stable, secure, and safe kind of energies of okay, I am ready. The universe, bring it on. Okay, let's see your energies for a new person, new connection, new. Okay, I keep my eyelids keep on getting stuck in my eyes. Although they're not very heavy, they're okay. They just keep on getting stuck in my eyes for some reason. Anyways, I have pretty eyes. Thank you. Let's see, Leo. Your energies for a new person, new connection, new situation. ऐसी तो न थी तकदीर मेरी, तुम सा जो कोई महबूब मिले. Seven of Pentacles, Three of Pentacles, the High Priestess, bottom of the deck is the King of Swords. What is happening here is that somebody is going to act like they are not at all interested in you, and or they are just hurt by a lot of people in the past. That is why they are going to pretend that they are not into you. But the truth is, slowly but surely, a collaboration, a partnership is happening. Both of you can intuitively sense the connection. Both of you can intuitively feel the bond with each other, feel the spiritual kind of connection with each other. But none of you is saying anything about it or doing anything about it. It's like one of those connections where we start working with somebody, and we both can sense the tension, we both can sense the connection, but none of us has the courage to speak up or to say or to express, or it can be a office romance kind of a thing, like where both of you are working on something together, collaboration, business partnership, something like that, something related to finances, money, collaboration, coming together, coming back together is also possible, like for some work related kind of a situation. It can be a mentor and a student kind of connection too for some of you. but both of you are going to feel the connection on a deeper level, but none of you is going to say anything about it. In fact, the more you guys are going to feel the connection, the more you guys are going to behave, you guys don't care, both of you actually. So there are chances of a new connection, new bond, but the way you guys are going to behave is not looking good, and it's happening from actually both the sides. Let's see from the romance angels for this new person, new bond, new connection. Okay, this is very hot in Mumbai. So I have love yourself first. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. So it's like, if you have given a hint to this person, if you have expressed your feelings to this person, and you have told them and still they are behaving like this, then start loving yourself. And I'm not saying to detach and walk away, I'm just saying just start loving yourself more. Your self respect makes you more romantically attractive. So whatever is applicable, however this situation is applicable, this meaning of this card is applicable to you, take that. Okay. So okay, I am conducting a live 7 day 7 Osho meditation event from 5th till the 11th of June 2026, 4:30 till 5:30 p.m. It's going to be live. I can't record the classes, it's not valid for me. I'm not allowed to do that. Okay. And the fees for Indians is 3500 INR, Indian rupees, very affordable, I guess so, for 7 days. And for others it's 125 USD. And I would like to see you on the other side. We are going to have a lot of fun, lot of dancing, lot of music, lot of laughter, lot of grounding, lot of healing, lot of meditation. If you want to start your journey, spiritual journey, or restart your spiritual journey, or start walking on the path of Osho, or understanding his work, this is a great opportunity to do that. I will try to do it every month, if not so every 2 months, but I don't know if I will be able to do it in this much of affordable price again. But if you feel connected to me and my work, you can join the classes. Even if you will be able to join 2-3 classes, you are going to see a lot of difference in your life and energies. But anyways, up to you. I'm going to leave the uh, what we call that link in the description box, and I'll see you on the other side. Especially women, go for it, you guys are going to love it, trust me, it's going to be a lot of fun. Okay, so let's start. For men too, but especially women, because they need a little bit more healing these days. I'm just kidding, it's not like that. It's not gender specific, it's gender neutral. But if you feel like connected to me, my work and my energies, go for it. Okay. Even if you will not be able to manage to join all of them, at least try to join at least 3 to 4, if not all of them. But no recordings will be provided, I'm sorry for that. Let's see for a past person, past situation, past connection, Leo. I have the Strength card, the Six of Swords, the Justice. Bottom of the deck is the Eight of Pentacles. So, for a past person, past situation that you guys might be still energetically connected to on some level, maybe you are talking to each other still. They are in this energy of, okay, let me put in the effort and energy in that direction where I'm going to get something good in return. So, Leo, I do see this past person, past energy is holding back this urge or desire to connect or reconnect with you. They are in this energy of moving on towards calmer water and choosing to do the right thing here between you and them. Now, the right thing can be um, proper separation, breakup, or maybe if you guys were married and then maybe divorce process is happening. So this is it. Right now, this person is not interested in coming back or making things work out between you and them, especially if you guys were married or committed to each other. And right now they are super focused on money, job, career, finances, or putting in their effort and energy in the right direction, whatever it is according to them. Let's see from the romance angels, what is the message for this past person, past bond, past connection. So I have healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Something related to your childhood or your parents might be the issue that keeps on coming back in your life again and again and again in some way, shape, or form. So healing family issues is also going to help you a lot if you have any. If you don't have any, then just ignore this card. Okay, the way you ignored the 10-15 seconds of my video, the starting. Anyways, let's see the guidance for you guys here, Leo, for this month, June 2026. I'll try to do the reading again in mid of the June, but for the time being, let's see the guidance. I have the Two of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles and the Judgment card. Bottom of the deck is the Death card. You guys have to transform something on a deeper, deep rooted level. Something that you thought is working out in your life till this point of your life is not going to work out anymore. It can be a belief system, it can be your avoidance or ignoring the healing portion, it can be you avoiding the truth about something, but something needs to be totally transformed and shifted to a totally different version. Okay, now until unless you guys are going to have a stable energy of practicality and using your heart and soul, using your heart and your mind in a balanced way, you guys should not be in any kind of connection or bond in that way. Until unless you have a stable energy, stable kind of this, what should I say, I'm not getting the exact words here, Leo, you are getting my point, right? First of all, you have to transform something on a deeper level. So you guys have to transform something on a deeper level because something is not working out. Again, it can be a belief system, it can be you ignoring the healing portion, it can be you treating yourself like, okay, you are going to be the same and everything is going to be okay. No. And you have to balance your practical side and your emotional side and slowly but surely work on this releasing the on and off, in and out kind of energies, and then slowly but surely walk on the path of happiness. Okay, let's see the final message from the romance angels for you guys, Leo. Let go of control issues, allow this situation to unfold naturally. So whenever you guys are going to be in a connection, don't try to rush things, don't try to be in this energy of, okay, let's do it as soon as possible, as quickly as possible, and allow the situation to unfold naturally and organically. Be patient with the situation and yourself. That's the most important thing. That's very important for all of us, actually. Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Leo. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it, just let it be. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. Okay, if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you know what to do. You can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. Okay, so you can, let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple and precise, and your time starts 1 2 3 now. Okay, so the answer to your question is no. It's a no. Okay, so I don't have to explain. Cool. So thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to check out the link for the meditation and read all the requirements and everything properly. Then apply. Okay. Bye.